Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute earrings, the lemon drop earrings made with fine crochet thread. It's a size 8 thread and come on, let's see how to crochet this cute earrings. The written pattern of this earrings is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To crochet these earrings, I'll be using two colors of fine crochet thread. I bought them from Amazon recently, and we will need two of those and scissors, and for making these earrings I'll need 1.25mm crochet hook. So with the yellow thread for round 1, I'll go ahead, work a magic ring and then work chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as your first double crochet, and then go ahead, work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. And once you're done with that, we will work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 1. So once you've worked 11 double crochets around the magic ring, you can tighten the magic ring and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 1. And then you can secure the magic ring with the knot, tighten it and then secure it with the knot. So I'm going to secure this with the knot. So let's go ahead, work round 2. For round 2 I'm going to work chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet. Then I'll go ahead, work one more double crochet on the same stitch. So where we have worked chain 3, on that same stitch I'm going to work one more double crochet. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead, work 2 double crochets each on next 5 stitches. So I'm going to go ahead, work 2 double crochet each on next 5 stitches. So altogether on all these 6 stitches we will have 2 double crochets each. So we will have 12 double crochets worked. So once you've worked 12 double crochets, I'm going to go ahead, work one picot stitch, which is nothing but chain 3, and then we are going to go ahead, work slip stitch onto the same stitch. So this is called as picot stitch, and then in the remaining 6 stitches I'm going to go ahead, work 2 double crochets each. We're going to go ahead, work 2 double crochet on each stitch for next 6 stitches. And then after that we're going to go ahead work one picot stitch, which is chain 3, and then slip stitch onto the same stitch. And after you have worked your picot stitch, you can work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 2. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Our lemon is ready. You can go ahead, fasten off and weave your ends. So you can work this in a size 4 thread as a lemon applique as well. So now I'm going to fasten off and weave my ends. It is one of my lemon earring that I've created, and we need to work one more of this for a pair of earrings, and we are not done yet. To add extra detailing, we're going to work some leaves that will go with this lemons. Let's see how to do that. So I've already made these leaves, and this is what we're going to make now. So we are going to work 2 leaves for each earring. So with that green thread, I'm going to go ahead work 6 chains with the same 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So I'm going to go ahead work 6 chains. So once you have worked 6 chains, go ahead work 1 slip stitch on the second chain from the hook, and then on the third chain work 1 half double crochet, and in the fourth chain work 1 double crochet. So we're going to work 1 double crochet on the fourth chain, and then on the fifth chain work 1 half double crochet, and in the sixth chain we're going to work 1 slip stitch, and then in the same stitch work 1 more slip stitch, which is going to turn your work to the opposite side, and then go ahead work 1 slip stitch on the half double crochet stitch on the opposite side, and 1 more slip stitch on the double crochet stitch on the opposite side, and 1 slip stitch on the half double crochet stitch on the opposite side, and 1 slip stitch on the slip stitch of the opposite side, and 1 more slip stitch on the starting chain 1. So that's it, our leaf is done, and then we're going to fasten off and weave your ends. Now I have weaved my ends, and for this pair of earring we will need 4 leaves. Now if you see it's not stiffened and it's kind of wobbly, we will need to stiffen this up. So for this, as I always say, we mix up 1 part of white glue and 1 part of water. Mix the solution well and then dip your work in that, and then air dry it for a day. So this leaf is going to go like this with the jewelry ring. We'll see how to do this after we block it. So now if you see, I have blocked it, and it's nice and stiff, and we'll see how we are going to put this all together. So we will need jewelry ring and earring hooks for that. So with 1 jewelry ring, I'm going to attach 1 end of my picot stitch on the lemon that I have worked, and then I'll tighten this jewelry ring, and then in the other jewelry ring I'm going to add 2 leaves on the right side so that the right side comes on the front. Then put them onto the jewelry ring that is attached to the lemon, and now you can attach your earring hooks to this. Here it is, our beautiful lemon drop earrings is now ready. It's so simple, easy, and has a wonderful look and detail to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would like you to try this lemon drop earrings at home and let me know your comments. And the written pattern of this lemon drop earrings is available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. You can find many other fun free patterns in my website as well. Go check it out. And if you want a complete blocking instruction, I have shown another earring tutorial video. The description of that video tutorial is updated in the description box below. You can go and check that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.